Welcome to HM Architecture. Today, we're going to explore a beautiful and compact 20 feet by 30 feet one bedroom house plan designed to make perfect use of every inch of space. Let's take a closer look. Starting from the entrance, we have a small porch area measuring 8 feet 1 inch by 3 feet 8 inches, just enough space for a welcoming entrance with a few potted plants. As we step inside, we enter the drawing room, size 9 feet 11 inches by 10 feet. It's an ideal place for guests or for relaxing with family. You can easily fit a sofa set, center table, and wall mounted TV here. Next, moving inside the house, we reach the main hall, which measures 8 feet 1 inch by 15 feet 4 inches. This is the central and most spacious part of the home, perfect for dining or a small family sitting area. On the left side of the hall, you'll notice the staircase, which leads to the upper floor so you can expand your home in the future if needed. Now, moving towards the back, we have the kitchen, measuring 8 feet 10 inches by 9 feet. It's positioned in the rear corner for good ventilation and privacy, and it has enough space for a modular kitchen setup with all basic utilities. On the right side, there's the bedroom, size 9 feet 2 inches by 10 feet 11 inches, a cozy and comfortable room with natural light from the windows. It's perfect for a couple or a small family. Beside the bedroom, you'll find a common toilet and bath (CTB) with a size of 5 feet 5 inches by 6 feet 5 inches, conveniently located for easy access from the hall and bedroom. Overall, this compact layout includes one bedroom, one drawing room, one kitchen, one common bath, and a spacious hall area. Everything is beautifully arranged within a 20 by 30 feet plot, making it a perfect design for small families or rental units. If you like this smart and simple house plan, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to HM Architecture for more unique and creative home designs every day. Thanks for watching.